Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Taurus headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Make sure your new headlight bulb is the correct type for your specific Ford Taurus model. Always work on a level surface with the engine off and cool. This ensures your safety and makes the process much smoother. Having the right tools and a clear workspace is key to a quick and easy replacement. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. Open your hood and locate the two 10mm bolts positioned on top of the headlight assembly. Use your 10mm socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it should slide out without too much force, revealing the bulb connections behind it. With the assembly out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, insert your new bulb, making sure not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Twist it clockwise until it locks into place, then reattach the electrical connector. Almost done. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its slot, ensuring it aligns properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely with your socket wrench. Don't over-tighten, just make them snug. Finally, turn on your Ford Taurus and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. If it doesn't light up, double-check your connections. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.